Hi, this is Sonia, and this is my channel, Sonia Star Crossed, and today I thought I would take you along with me to sew some thread beds for my cross stitch using my new Singer machines. Well, they're very old. So this is a Singer Model 15, circa 1934, and then over here I have a Featherweight from 1955 and a Model 99 from about 1928. So I will just take you along with me, and I'm going to sew some thread beds on all three of them, hopefully, and I've got lots of little extra accessories I've bought at garage sales and stuff like that. So, all right, so the first one we're going to use is this one. I'm going to switch the camera angle. All right, so this is what we're going to be making, just a little thread bed that I throw in with my cross stitches. Just real quick and easy. They're not perfect, they're just for me. So what I do is I start with a piece of felt, just normal felt, and some fabric that I like. And I just kind of put the felt on the fabric. This is probably fine, but I'm just gonna make it a little bit shorter. Eyeballing everything, and then we're going to cut the fabric here. All right, and then I am just going to go around and kind of tuck in the hem. And I was reading the instruction manual that came with this sewing machine and saw that it has a hammer foot. So I might try to use that at some point, but for today, I'm just trying to knock out a couple thread beds because I've been using spring and fall thread beds in with my Christmas stitching, and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. It bothers me immensely. I'm just going to cut off a little bit of the top of this one too, so I have more room to fold. Alright, so that's all I do. Again, this isn't necessarily going to be straight or perfect. This is just knocking out some thread beds. So here we go. Oh no. Lost my thread. All right, let's try this again. I'm just going to go back down this side because it was kind of thick. All right, so
your elaborate alarm system failed! I was able to sneak right in!
I'm recording.
Oh, yeah?
So welcome to the show. All right, give me a second. Let me just finish this. All right, so that's how I make these. Just fold them in half, and this one is ready to go in a winter cross stitch pattern. All right, so now I have my Singer. This one is a model 99 from around 1928. I already put together my felt and fabric for this one, so I'm gonna try to sew at an angle so I can get it in the camera here. So, and this one seems like it kind of clicks. I haven't had a chance to clean it up, so I might have to do some investigation into it and see what's going on there. But it sews great. My pedal. All right, my pedal doesn't want to reach the ground at this angle, so hang on. All right, so I'm back. This is my Singer Model 99. It's from circa 1928. Has beautiful filigree on it, and it kind of clacks a little bit, so I'm gonna have to investigate that and see if there's loose parts. Probably there's loose parts and what can be done with them, but in the meantime it sews. So we're just gonna make a quick little thread bed. I'm going to try to do this at an angle so you can kind of see the whole thing, but we'll see. Does that make a big difference? Leave it on. Not ready. Feel much less capable of making a straight line when I'm standing up at an angle from the machine. Not that I can make a lot of straight lines to begin with, but that one got really bad. All right, I think I'm gonna cut this and try again. Where's my scissors? Let's see if I can stretch this back out. Let's try from here. No. I should have pulled more thread. Where are you? But if you came here for a sewing tutorial, you are not in the right place. This is like baby sewing for babies. Yeah, pay no attention. All right. So, definitely not the straightest thing I have ever folded. Sewn. Probably one of my worst efforts, but I didn't even catch the hem on that side. Yeah, this one's not great, but again, it's just for my cross stitch bag, so it's fine. Front looks just fine. All right, next up. All right, and last but not least is my Singer Featherweight 221, circa 1955. I just got this 2 days ago. Yesterday? Yes, 2 days ago. So I haven't had a chance to play with it yet, and unfortunately I don't have a bobbin. I have the bobbin holder, but not the bobbin, so I need to special order it, I think. So we're not going to get to play with this one today. It does turn on. I did. Oh, I don't have a plug. Plug it in. So the light is out, so I need to order a light. But it turns on. Definitely makes noise, but I don't know if that's just because there's not the bobbin thing in there. So I will also have to figure this one out. It does look like it's a little bit dirty inside, so I'll have to figure out how to clean that. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm hoping to do more than just thread beds here pretty soon, but I just wanted to pull them out and show it to you guys since I just got this one. And yeah, so I thought I'd see how they all work together in the same room. Anyway, thanks for watching.